What's up everyone, Patrick here, welcome back. In this next video, what we got to do is we got to simplify this over here. So we got two rational expressions that are multiplying by each other. So we got 9x minus 36 over 7x plus 35 times 4x plus 20 all over 12x minus 48. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that all the numerators, all the denominators are factored. So notice out of the first numerator, we could take out a 9 and we'd be left with x minus 4. And then notice from the denominator, we could take out a 7 and we'd be left with x plus 5. And then we're going to be multiplying. We could take out a 4 out of the second numerator. Got x plus 5 there. All over, we could take out a 12 and we'd be left with x minus 4 in the brackets. Now from here, notice the x minus 4s will cancel, the x plus 5s will cancel. Before doing that, we can get restrictions. They may ask for restrictions, they may not. If they do, then it's basically the x values that make the denominators equal to 0 because we are multiplying here. So notice that x plus 5 can't be 0, which means x cannot equal negative 5. That would make this denominator 0. And then notice x minus 4 can't be 0, which means when we bring the negative 4 over, that means x can't be 4. So those are the two restrictions, and then we get to simplifying. So these cancel out, these cancel out. And then what you could do is you could simplify from here, actually. Notice the 4 over 12, that could simplify to 1 over 3. And then the 3 would go into the 9, or you could just multiply everything. So we got 9 times 4, which would be 36, and then 7 times 12, which would give us 84. And then if you want, you could simplify this over here. So notice we could divide the 36 by 12, which would be 3. We could divide the 84 by 12, which would be 7. So 3 over 7 is the final answer. If you simplify it over here, what would happen is the 4 and the 12, 1 over 3, but then the 3 goes into the 9, and then we end up with 3 over 7. Right, so whichever way you do it, 3 over 7 is the final answer. That's what that simplifies to.